and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my pretty face, my name is Adayinmylife. Please click on the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, subscribing to my channel is totally free. It costs no penny. So please, if you are watching this, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I am going to be making the avocado facial mask, and I'm also going to be applying it all over my face. Please take note, it's advisable you do this at night, and that's because of how ash lemon can be during the day. So please do this at night. So guys, I am going to be sharing with you the usefulness of avocado facial mask on the screen. You guys see it here. Read it carefully before you. This is super fast and super easy, and all you need is just an avocado pear. You need a lemon, you need a knife obviously, and you also need a bowl. So let's get right into the video.
So the first thing you want to do is cut your avocado into equal halves. Then cut open your lemon into equal halves as well, and scoop using spoon or a knife. I am using knife. So you squeeze the juice of the lemon in your avocado and mix together. Also add a little bit of water. Oops, that was too much. Anyways, match till you have the right consistency.
And this is just a regular makeup brush that you can use, which I'll be using. So guys, this is after applying the avocado facial mask, and yeah, and the mask will be on my face for 5 minutes. Like I said, you know how ash lemon can be. You don't want to exit 5 minutes if you don't want to have burns on your face. So I'll wash my face off in the next 5 minutes, and let's see. I've been doing this for like a month now. Once in a week. I do this once in a week. And I'm doing it for like a month. I started December, and I mean, I'm in love with the whole avocado facial mask. Like, God. So you guys, can you see my face? My skin is feeling soft, and I'm feeling, you know, back alive. Yeah, so guys,
this is the outcome of the avocado facial mask, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. Subscription is free.